Well, this is the last harvest video of 2020. This is my second load to town today. It's like probably getting close to 3 o'clock now, my guess. Got a load of corn on the Parker 5250. Roger's using the 50, and we got another guy chisel plowing. So 3 tractors rolling today and a combine. We're running in some, I guess, not so great corn. Yeah, we're definitely not seed planting corn in that field next year. It's going to oats. That ground just needs a break from corn. And we need to do some other stuff to it. Probably need a soil test to really get what's going on, but we're definitely not planting corn in it next year. So we probably got, I don't know, 10-15 acres left. Probably less than that now, but hopefully we can get it all done combine tomorrow and get everything hauled up to town and the wagons brought home, and we're done combining for 2020. Yields weren't as great as USDA would say, but I've seen worse. It's not, it's middle of the road. A rock hit the window there, but yeah, no, it is what it is. That's what happens when it's dry in August. Right during grain field, no rain doesn't help, but that's how it goes. Got 3 loads of corn hauled to town, and now I'm finishing up the last couple acres of the year. As long as nothing breaks, we'll be done here in an hour or less. So, yep, this field has some pretty good corn. The other one wasn't very good. This one's still tangled, but the other one was a lot more tangled as well, so I don't know. Flip that shield up. And so far it seems to feed in a little better. I almost wondered it wasn't getting caught, built up, and that shield wouldn't let it feed into the feeder house. That shield there, the cage shield, it prevents the ears from flying out of the feeder house as I catch them and make them fall back in, but they didn't let it feed in too well, so I don't know. But I'll let you know when we're about done or unloading into the wagon or something. So, heading to the wagon. We're full. Could have got a little bit more, but I was not going to make it back anyway, so. I don't think what's left is going to fit on this wagon, so we got 2 more up here. This is going to be some fun chisel plowing. The stalks are long because they're tangled. The whole entire plant doesn't get into the rolls. So then you're left with 3 foot of stock that didn't get touched by the rolls. It's not the rolls' fault, it's just the corn. So hopefully that feeds through the chisel plow, because if it doesn't, guess the disc is coming out. I think it will. Chisel plow really doesn't have too many problems, but it can. Here we are, the final 6 rows of 2020. Corn is all kinds of tangled. You really don't see a row in some spots, so it's kind of tough. Still in 2nd gear, what the heck? No. Bring the auger out, unload, let the combine finish separating. You can see some corn in the auger still. That was the last corn of 2020. Crop, we had some really good fields. We had some fields that were not very good. I'd say it was a pretty variable yield. Usually it's a lot more consistent than that. That I remember, of course. You know, I haven't been farming that long, but I think my dad would say that too. It's pretty variable crop. Really, really good in spots, and just terrible in the next spot. So, turn the separator off. Man, that thing all howls in 2nd gear. Might as well get our camera going. There won't be too much in this wagon. The other one wouldn't fit it. There's the final pile. There's the moon. price of corn had to drop 20. All done. Calm as could be out. Time to head home. Take the 2 loads of corn to town tomorrow, put the combine in the shed, and here in the next week or two we'll get it ready for wintertime. But the work of the fall is not over yet. We still got 50 acres of corn stalks to make, a bunch of manure to haul, chisel plowing, and maybe anhydrous. I'm not sure yet. We might try some fall anhydrous, depending how things go and what we feel like. But I don't know if this is the end of the video or not. But tomorrow I'm chisel plowing. I might just make a separate video for that.